What is plate tectonics? Plate tectonics is the scientific theory that explains how the Earth's lithosphere, or outermost layer, is divided into several large plates that move and interact with each other. These plates are constantly in motion, driven by the movement of molten rock in the Earth's mantle. As the plates move, they can collide, separate, or slide past each other, causing geological phenomena such as earthquakes, volcanoes, mountain building, and the formation of ocean basins. The theory of plate tectonics was developed in the 1960s and 1970s and has since become widely accepted by the scientific community. It has revolutionized our understanding of the Earth's geological processes and provided insights into how the Earth has evolved over millions of years. How many different plates are there? There are generally considered to be about a dozen major plates and several smaller ones that make up the Earth's lithosphere. The major plates include the North American Plate, South American Plate, Eurasian Plate, African Plate, Pacific Plate, Australian Plate, Antarctic Plate, and the Indo-Australian Plate. Additionally, there are smaller plates such as the Arabian Plate, Caribbean Plate, Nazca Plate, and Philippine Plate. The boundaries between these plates are where most of the tectonic activity occurs, such as earthquakes, volcanoes, and the creation of mountain ranges. How does plate tectonics occur? Plate tectonics occurs due to the movement of the Earth's lithosphere, which is broken into several large plates that float on the underlying layer of the mantle. The plates move because of the convection currents in the mantle. These currents are driven by heat generated by the decay of radioactive elements and the residual heat from the planet's formation. The plates can interact with each other in three different ways. Divergent boundaries. When plates move away from each other, it creates a divergent boundary, where new crust is formed as magma rises up to fill the gap between the plates. This process occurs at mid-ocean ridges, where new oceanic crust is created. Convergent boundaries. When plates move towards each other, it creates a convergent boundary, where one plate is forced beneath another plate in a process called subduction. This process occurs at subduction zones, where one plate is forced beneath another and is destroyed in the mantle. This can lead to the formation of volcanic arcs, such as the Andes Mountains. Transform boundaries. When plates slide past each other, it creates a transform boundary, where the plates grind against each other, creating earthquakes. The San Andreas Fault in California is an example of a transform boundary. These interactions between the plates cause geological phenomena such as earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, mountain building, and the formation of ocean basins. What are the consequences of plate tectonics? Plate tectonics has significant consequences on the Earth's surface and its inhabitants. Here are some of the key consequences. Earthquakes. The movement of plates at their boundaries can cause earthquakes, which can lead to significant damage to infrastructure and loss of life. Volcanoes. Plate tectonics is responsible for the formation of many of the world's volcanoes. When plates move apart or converge, magma can rise to the surface, resulting in volcanic eruptions that can cause widespread destruction. Mountain building. The collision of two plates can result in the formation of mountain ranges, such as the Himalayas. Formation of ocean basins. Plate tectonics is responsible for the formation and evolution of ocean basins. Plate movement and climate. The movement of plates can influence climate through the formation of mountain ranges, which can impact wind and weather patterns. Mineral and resource formation. Plate tectonics plays a role in the formation of mineral and resource deposits, including gold, silver, copper, and oil. Overall, the consequences of plate tectonics are complex and varied, and have significant impacts on the Earth's surface and its inhabitants. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications.